Solving quadratic equations by factoring. Factoring trinomial when a is greater than 1. Given equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. First multiply 2 and negative 3, and that is negative 6. And then rewrite x squared minus 5x. And factor this. And think of factors of negative 6 that will add up to negative 5. And the factors are positive 1 and negative 6. And divide it by 2. Simplify negative 6 over 2 becomes negative 3. And move 2 in front of x. So the answer is the quantity of 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Checking by FOIL method, 2x times x equals 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Positive 1 times x is positive 1x or just x. Negative 6x plus x equals negative 5x. Positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Given equation 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. Multiply 3 and negative 8, and that is negative 24. And then rewrite x squared plus 10x. Then factor this. And think of a factors of negative 24 that will add up to positive 10. And the factors are positive 12 and negative 2. And then divide it by 3. Simplify 12 over 3 is 4. And move 3 in front of x. So we have the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, which is the final answer. Given equation 5x squared plus 17x plus 6 is equal to 0. Multiply 5 and 6, and that is positive 30. And write x squared plus 17x. And factor this. And think of a factors of positive 30 that will add up to positive 17. And the factors are positive 2 and positive 15. And divide it by 5. Simplify 15 over 5 is 3. And move 5 in front of x. So the answer is the quantity of 5x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 is equal to 0. Given equation 12x squared plus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. First multiply 12 and 1. That is positive 12. Then we write x squared plus 7x. And then factor this. And think of the factors of 12 that will add up to positive 7. And the factors are positive 3 and positive 4. And divide it by 12. Then simplify. 3 over 12 is 1/4. And 4 over 12 is 1/3. So we have here the equation. And move 4 in front of x and 3 in front of x. So the answer is the quantity of 4x plus 1 times the quantity of 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Given equation 6x squared minus 7x minus 20 is equal to 0. First multiply 6 and negative 20, and that is negative 120. And then rewrite x squared minus 7x. And factor this out. And think of a factors of negative 120 that will add up to negative 7. And the factors are positive 8 and negative 15. And divide it by 6. And simplify. 8 over 6 is 4 over 3. Negative 15 over 6 is 5 over, or negative 5 over 2. And then move 3 in front of x and 2 in front of x. So the answer is the quantity of 3x plus 4 times the quantity of 2x minus 5 is equal to 0.